Yes, what we have learned first point.
यस मैम, टेक कर लिया.
Waste is defined according to whether the material is useful or not. All of you have tick mark?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम नहीं दिखा.
First point. If you have a PDF of textbook now, then what we have learned? First point. Page number 253. What we have learned? First point.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you tick mark answer number 2. One line answer it is.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
next is given write note on process of decomposition. Means how decomposition takes place. You have to write a note on it. I have tick mark answers in textbook now. Decomposition, page number is 249. Page number 249. Take out page number 249 of your textbook. (249).
Yes, ma'am.
The process of rotting. The process of rotting is called as decomposition up to this. Clear? Answer number 2. Have you tick mark?
Yes, ma'am. मैम प्रोसेस से कहाँ तक है?
Up to decomposition is called as decomposition.
Yes, ma'am. मैंने क्या?
Answer number 3 tick mark na. Now next question.
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
should sorting out of waste be done at its source itself? Why is it necessary to sort the waste at its source? You write down answer. You write down answer. Answer number 4. To separate dry and wet waste. Write down answer of question number 4. Question number 4. You write down. Write down in your textbook now. Sufficient page space is there. Answer number 4. Why should sorting out waste be done at source itself? First point, to separate. Are you writing or not?
यस मैम.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
To separate dry and wet waste. First point, you write down. To separate dry and wet waste. Second point, wet waste is biodegradable.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Third and last point, dry waste is sent to recycle unit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now question number 5. Write about at least 3 problems that will arise due to collection of waste at an area. If the waste is collected in your colony or in your area, what problem you have to face? You write down answer. First one is filthy condition. FILTHY. Filthy condition. Second, air and water get polluted. आपके आसपास का एरिया क्या हो जाएगा, हवा और पानी दूषित हो जाएगा, पोल्यूट हो जाएगा. एयर एंड वाटर गेट पोल्यूटेड. थर्ड पॉइंट, स्प्रेड ऑफ चांसेस ऑफ स्प्रेड ऑफ डिजीज विल इंक्रीज.
मैम क्या?
Chances of spread of disease will increase. And last one is environment get polluted. Environment get polluted.
मैम थर्ड पॉइंट क्या है?
Chances of increase in spread of disease. Next is sixth question. What is sixth question? Define the recycling of waste and write about its advantages. Recycling of waste. This is answer number 7. How recycling of waste takes place. Is it given in textbook? Which process they have mentioned? Answer is given on page number 251 and 252. What are the advantages now? What is two questions are there in question number 6? Define recycling of waste. Define recycling of waste. Definition, proper definition I think is not given. No? Advantages that I am telling you. You write down answer. Sufficient space on page number 253. 253 पेज पे बहुत सारा स्पेस है. You write answer. Answer of question number 6. Plastic can be recycled and reused. Are you writing? आप लोग लिख रहे हो?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
First point, plastic can be recycled and reused.
Yes, ma'am.
Second point, some of the waste generated at home can be recycled. Have you written second point?
Yes, ma'am.
Some of the waste generated at home can be
Recycle.
Proper definition is given.
Mummy, third
Find
point.
in textbook na. Textbook proper definition of recycling of waste is not given. Right na?
Ma'am, proper.
Definition is given. Don't write it.
Yes, ma'am.
You write down now. Recycling is the process. Recycling is the process of converting waste material into new materials and objects.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you write down advantages of recycling. Advantages of recycling. It make the area, first point, it make the area clean and disease free. Clean and disease free.
Yes, ma'am.
Second, it reduce the consumption of fresh raw material. Third point, we get compost and manure.
Yes, ma'am.
We get compost and manure. M-A-N-U-R-E, manure. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next question. What are the substances needed to prepare compost? Answer is given on page number 250. If you have a textbook, take out page number 250 of your textbook.
Yes, ma'am.
By composting, what is question actually? Question क्या था? How compost is
What
made?
are the substances needed to prepare compost?
Only substances, na? Then here earthworm, then leaf, rotten fruit, vegetable peels. You have to mention only name of the substances, na? Rotten fruit, vegetables, earthworm. Actually, earthworm is not a substance, na? Then don't write it. Kitchen waste. Are the substances needed to prepare compost? Are the substances needed to prepare compost? Clear?
मैम ये आंसर समझ नहीं आया।
What are the substance needed to prepare compost? कंपोस्ट बनाने के लिए कौन से सब्सटेंस का जरूरत है? Then rotten fruits, then your kitchen waste, vegetables यानी कौन से वेजिटेबल स्टार्स यू राइट डाउन। ये सारे सब्सटेंसेस जिसकी ज़रूरत होती है कंपोस्ट बनाने के लिए। मोस्टली योर किचन वेस्ट। Wet organic matter you want to write then, but again someone asks leaves and food waste you write down. Kitchen waste, rotten food, vegetable stalks, peels, जो भी आपका किचन का वेस्ट रहता है, ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट रहता है, बायोडिग्रेडेबल, दैट इज़ यूज टू मेक कंपोस्ट। उसका यूज़ किया जाता है कंपोस्ट बनाने के लिए। क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम।
What all did you learn about the ways of waste management from the example of Srinivas from Vellore? That example we have discussed now. Write down answer. Srinivas not only manage to recycle waste but also make the city of Vellore clean. Proper management of waste by converting it. Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Proper management of waste by converting it to useful production and earning money by selling waste products which are not recycled and keep the environment pollution free. Clear?
यस मैम। यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
In this way,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
question answers of chapter
18।
18 we have completed. Right now?
Yes,
मैम।
ma'am.
If possible, I will today I will or maybe tomorrow. I will send PDF of question answers of chapter 14 sound na.
यस मैम।
Yes,
If possible,
Yes, ma'am.
today I will send in the group. Till then, you write down question answers of this chapter in your bio copy. Waste and its management is bio chapter. Okay.
यस मैम।
Any doubt regarding this chapter?
नो मैम।
no, ma'am.
Okay.